All right, you guys, welcome back. So I am back from O'Reilly's. I had to take a walk there. It's not too far. It's in total, it's about an hour walk with going there and back. So not too bad. I got the brake pads, so I got a couple tools I'll need. I need a C-clamp, and I couldn't find my 17 millimeter and wasn't gonna risk having to walk all the way back there to get one. So I got one, and now we're gonna get the brakes put on, and hopefully this car will be good and ready to run because I have to work in the morning. But it is getting dark out, so I don't know how well you'll be able to see. Hopefully the parking lot lights will work and be sufficient. But yeah, there's nothing left to say, but let's get to work. As you can see, the front of the rotor is actually really good. You can see right there where we got the missing pad where it fell out. And I don't know if you can see, but the rotor on the back side is not the greatest. But I don't have a new caliper right now, so I don't want to put a new rotor for it to destroy it again. So we're just gonna put some new brake pads on there and fix it right next time. I need something to drive in the morning. So I got the caliper and everything off. Old brake pads, at least the one that didn't fall out. Oop. And there's the one that did try to come out. There it is. There's the tab. And you would never believe what else happened. I open the brake pads, I'm like, man, this is sick. I am almost 90% sure I got the rear pads. Not even like close. Like you can see, not even close. So I'm hoping I can get an Uber to O'Reilly's to get this done fast. Otherwise, I don't know if I'll make it there in time walking. So give me just a moment and I will find that out. But I got everything else set up. I got that pushed back in. And yeah. You can see how bad it is back there. It is not pretty. But it's gonna have to live like that for now. Oh, that is bad. Oh well. Alright, so my Uber is on the way. These are the brake pads I gotta return and the receipt. And then I actually brought one just in case. I'm gonna measure it up to the new ones because it needs to be right this time. Otherwise, I'm going to run out. They're gonna close before I can get back there. So, Uber should be here in about 5 minutes. We'll get this done and get the Honda running again so I can have at least one car. Alright, I got the new pads. I'm on the other side right now getting this one all done. I'm about to pull this and get these wrapped up. It is already 8:45, so I am trying to hurry up so I can get to the gym. tools and put them away, and then pump the brakes and we're good. And there we go. Brakes are good. What time is it? Damn, that thing is loud.
Waiting to pair.
Perfect. It's fixed. Hell yeah. Finally got a car fixed. This was the old one. It did mess up the rotor pretty bad, but I have a feeling that it's gonna trash these pads anyway because the caliper is bad, but I did not have time to get the caliper done.
Successfully paired.
Unfortunately, they did not have that in stock, and I need a car. But anyways, now I can stop using Uber to go literally everywhere. But anyways, I'm gonna run upstairs, I'm gonna get a pre-workout going, and I'm gonna run to the gym. I mean run to the gym. So I'll end out the video here. Super successful day, finally got a car running. Yeah, G35 news is coming up next, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry it was dark. It was the only time I really could, but it's all right. We got the new brake pads. We got the first set, we got the second set. Second set made it through. Such a great day. Oh, I'm so excited to have a car, but anyways, I really got to go and wrap this up. So you guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to let me know down below what we should do with the G35 and what your thoughts and ideas are with it. But that's going to end it today. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.